Hello, welcome to your English online learning journey. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this course is designed to help you master English at your own pace. Through interactive lessons, practical exercises, you will build confidence in speaking, writing, and understanding English. Join us as we explore the language together and open up new opportunities in your personal and professional life. Let's get started.
Let's learn how to use A and N. A and N have the same meaning. They mean one. They are words we use before nouns. They are indefinite articles. The difference depends on the sound at the beginning of the next word. When to use A. Use A when the next word starts with a consonant sound. Letters like B, C, D, F, etc. Example: a book, a car, a dog. When to use N. Use N when the next word starts with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. Example: an apple, an egg, an umbrella. Be careful. Some words might look like they need A or N based on spelling, but sound is what matters. A university. Even though U is a vowel, it sounds like U. An hour. Even though H is a consonant, it's silent, so we use N. Now let's practice. Fill in the blank with A or N. Remember, it's the sound that matters, not just the letter. Keep practicing, and soon you'll use A and N like a pro.